Okay, in this video, I look at using the Audient ID 14 with Davinci Resolve. Now, the Audient ID 14 is absolutely fantastic. And the little problem I ran into when I started using it with Davinci Resolve was that when I went into record, so I'd set up a track, say here, and I wanted to just record a quick voice, put it into record, and then I'm getting this sound, which is obviously completely hopeless. And I thought it was possibly a sample rate thing, but actually it's a record buffer setting, and you can get to it via the Davinci Resolve main menu here. Come down to Preferences. This is a Mac, and you can see I've got the input device ID 14, output ID 14, playback buffer size 128. In fact, it works fine at 64 as well. But the record buffer size was the one that I had set. I think I actually had it set to 1, and it still didn't work. So I just show you, if I just put that back into record, if I put that back into record here, go to my preferences, we come back to here. If we set it to 1, still problematic. 2 fixes the problem. So I tend to have that about 3. We've got a little bit of phasing going on there now. So 3 fixes it, save that, but you just need to adjust it to whatever suits your system. But that was a problem I had, getting audio into Davinci Resolve via a mic with the ID 14. Just need to adjust the record buffer size in Davinci Preferences. Hope that helps. Cheers for now.